Smart lighting is one of the easiest pieces of smart home tech that you can integrate into your home. This is literally the best lamp lights for bedrooms, living rooms, and home interior. Govee is a global leading smart home brand dedicated to providing personalized and fun life experiences through continuous innovations. Today we are demonstrating their best lamp lights. On the box you can see 4 features of Govee Glow Table Lamp: colorful lighting, multiple scene modes, voice control, and music sync. You can also see model number H6050. There is also a QR code to download Govee Home app. Let's unbox it. You will get an adapter, control box, and a beautiful smart table lamp. At base of the lamp you can see 4 buttons. 1 button is for on and off. Plus button you can increase brightness, and with minus button you can decrease brightness. 4th button is for change color of the light. The charging point is also available on base of the lamp. Now let's talk about Govee App. Download Govee Home app from the App Store. This app is available on both iOS and Android platforms. After install this app, open it and add your device via Bluetooth. This app has lots of effects and modes according to your mood and event. Click on Effects Lab, in which you can find Color Gallery. In Color Gallery you can see at left side the modes such as basic colors, ingredients, desert, natural, emotions, and so on. In right side you can select color choice according to your mood. In timer mode you can select time like as sleeping time, wake up time, and so on as your mood. You can also adjust its brightness as you want, whether you can increase or decrease brightness level according to your desire. There are 4 different modes effects, like music, color, scene, and DIY effects. In music effect you can sync music with mic. There is also another option to sync music with your mobile mic. You can also adjust its sensitivity according to your mood. There you can see 2 more options: dynamic and calm. You can see auto and manual color selection option. You can also choose color from color wheel. There are lots of color options in the wheel that you can choose. In color effects you can change to customized color like as warm white or cold white, and also choose from my color option. In scene effect you can set the lamp light effects automatically according to scene such as leisure, romantic, sunset, morning, warm, and so on. In DIY effect you can customize the lighting effects according to your mood. The smart Govee Glow Table Lamp gives you stunning segmented colors. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, allows you to power on and off. Hope you like this video. Product link is mentioned in the description. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product videos.